Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karusgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 7 and teaching is finished of this lesson. Now we will solve skill sheet. Now open your skill sheet. Open page number 23 from your skill sheet. What is the first one question? Open everyone fast. What is the first number question? Fill in the blanks. In that, first one is dash dash is a software used for presentation. Which software is used for presentation? Yes, good. MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a software used for presentation. Write down fast. Now second one, a dash dash is a series of slides which includes photos, clips, pictures, sound and writing on a particular topic or subject. Which software having slide and we can add photos, clip, picture, where we can add this all? Yes, good. MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint. Now third one, dash dash tab is used to apply a theme to the slides. Dash dash tab is used to apply a theme to the slides. Which tab having themes? Yes, design. Design tab is used to apply the theme to the slides. Now fourth one, the shortcut to run a slideshow is. What is the shortcut? Which key we are using for run the presentation? Good, F5. F5 is a shortcut to run the slideshow. Now fifth one, to exit MS PowerPoint, click Office button and then you want to exit. Then click the MS Office button and then click on the good exit button. If you want to open, then click the Office button and then click open. Now we will read. MS PowerPoint is a software used for presentation. A MS PowerPoint is a series of slides which includes photos, clips, pictures, sound and writing on a particular topic or subject. Design tab is used to apply a theme to the slides. The shortcut to run a slideshow is F5. To exit MS PowerPoint, click Office button and then exit. Clear? Write down fast. If you not complete your skill sheet with me now, then no problem. I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Skill sheet completion is most important. Finish? Now, second one question. Tick for the correct statement and cross for the incorrect statement. For the correct statement, tick, and for incorrect statement, cross. Then first one, save option is present in the home menu. Save option is present in home menu. It is true or false? Yes, it is false. It is incorrect statement. Title bar display the name of the document you are currently working on. It is right or wrong? It is also right. status bar appears at the top of the window. Status bar is the top of the window? No. Then which bar is the top of the window? Title bar. Good. The quick access toolbar include commands like save, redo and undo. Quick access toolbar having the commands save, undo and redo? Yes, good. Then it is true. Placeholders are boxes where you can either type text or insert clip art or picture and charts as required. In placeholder, we can insert clip art, picture and chart as you require. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay. Now we will read from first. Write down this first. Save option is present in the home menu. This is false. Status bar appear at the top of the window. Sorry, second one. Title bar display the name of the document you are currently working on. True. Status bar appear at the top of the window. False. The quick access toolbar includes commands like save, redo and undo. True. Placeholder are boxes where you can either type the text or insert clip art or picture and charts as required. It is also true. Now see third one question. Guess the correct word for the statements given below. You have to write only single word for this statement. First one, a software used to create a presentation. If you want to create a presentation, then which software is useful? Good, MS PowerPoint. The button that includes a save option. Which button having save option? Nice, Office button. A tab which include various themes. Which tab having themes? In fill in the blanks also this question is there. Which tab having? Design tab. The bar that appear at the bottom of the window. It is status bar. The bar that display the name of the slide you are currently working on. Title bar. Good. And last one, the shortcut used to run the presentation. The shortcut used to run the presentation. F5. Write down fast. And now read with me. From first, a software used to create a presentation. MS PowerPoint. MS means Microsoft PowerPoint. The button that includes the save option. Which button it is? Office button. The tab which include various themes. Design tab. The bar that appear at the bottom of the window. Status bar. The bar that display the name of slide you are currently working on. Title bar. The shortcut used to run the presentation. F5. Write down fast. Finish? Now see, fourth one question. Label the parts of MS PowerPoint window. It is the window of MS PowerPoint and we have to label this diagram. First one is Office button. Don't write, I will give you time for writing. Firstly see where is the Office button. The first one, rounded button, is called as a Office button. Then what is second one? Second one is we cannot see. If they given to this line and triangle, then we can write there quick access toolbar, but it is here. Now this third one, then leave it is. Then third one, click to add title, then what it is? Click to add title, then what it is? Yes, title placeholder. This last one, what it is? This all together are called menu bar and these tools all together are called good ribbon. RIBBON, ribbon. Office button, title placeholder, ribbon. Then these two are ruler, vertical ruler and horizontal ruler. Then slide thumbnails, slide thumbnails. Then next, text placeholder. Upper side of the text placeholder is title placeholder and their downside text placeholder. Now view buttons, view buttons, and this addition and subtraction means what it is? Zoom control, means we can zoom in or we can zoom out by using that button. That's why it is called as a zoom control. Office button, title placeholder, ribbon, rulers, slide thumbnails, text placeholder, view buttons, zoom control. Write down fast. Now write down. Finish. Now fifth one question. Unscramble the word using the clues given below. First one, this bar is located on the top of the window and below the title bar. Which bar is the top but below the title bar? and the word is given RIONBB. We have to, by using this word, we have to correct the word. By using that alphabet, we have to correct the word. Which word it is then? Good, ribbon. RIBBON, ribbon. RIBBON. Write down fast. Second one, it has undo, redo and the save command. Who having undo, redo and save commands? Unscramble word is given. QUICKACCSESTOLOBAR. Then which word it is? Good. Quick access toolbar. But what is the correct spelling of quick access toolbar? QUICK, quick, ACCESS, access, TOOLBAR, quick access toolbar. Now third one, this is located at the topmost of the PowerPoint window. Which is the topmost bar of the PowerPoint window? Spelling is also given. TEHTILTEBAR. Then what it is? Good, the title bar. But what is the correct spelling of the title bar? THE, the, TITLE, title, BAR, bar, the title bar. Fourth one, this is located on the topmost left corner of the window. Which button is the topmost left corner of the window? Spelling is given. MICROSOFT Then what it is? Microsoft Office button. MICROSOFT, Microsoft. OFFICE, Office. BUTTON, button, Microsoft Office button. Now next one, it appears at the bottom of the window. Which bar at the bottom of the window? STAUTSBAR. Then what it is? Status bar. STATUS, status, BAR, bar, status bar. Now last one, boxes where you can either type text or insert clip art or picture and charts as required. Now what spelling is given? PACELHLORDES. Then what it is? Placeholder. PLACE, place, HOLDERS, placeholders. Now read with me. First one, this bar is located on top of the window and below the title bar. It is ribbon. RIBBON, ribbon. Next one, it has undo, redo and save commands. It is quick access toolbar. Third one, this is located at the topmost of the PowerPoint window, the title bar. This is located on the topmost left corner of the window, Microsoft Office button. It appears at the bottom of window, status bar. Last one, boxes where you can either type text or insert clip art or pictures and charts as required. It is placeholder. Write down fast. Now next one, answer the following question. Write the step to run the presentation. How to run the presentation? There are 3 ways to run the presentation. Which are they? Firstly, only press the F5 on the keyboard. Next one is click the slideshow tab, click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group, and last option is click the slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. There are 3 ways to run the presentation. There are 3 types to run the presentation. First one, press F5 on the keyboard. Then second one, click the slideshow tab. Then click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group. And third one option is click the slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. What is the question? Write the steps to run the presentation. There are 3 ways to run the presentation. First one, press F5 on the keyboard, then click the slideshow tab, then click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group, and last one, click the slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Write down fast. Now second one, write the note on slides, placeholders and notes. First one we will see about the slides. Slides. It is appear in the corner of the window. You can create your own presentation on slides. Where we can do our presentation? On slides. Next one is placeholder. It is box where we can type or insert clip art or pictures as we require. Placeholder. It is a box where we can type or insert clip art or pictures as we require. Last one is notes. It is used to create notes for yourself for reference during a presentation. What is the question? Write the notes on a slide, placeholder and notes. Slide, it is appear in the center of the window. We can create our own presentation on slide. Placeholder, it is a box where we can type or insert clip art or pictures as we require. Notes, it is used to create notes for yourself for reference during a presentation. Third one, write in brief about how and where MS PowerPoint is used. Where we are using the MS PowerPoint and why. It is means what? MS PowerPoint is used for systematic display of text along with graphics, movies and sound. Why we are using the MS PowerPoint? It is used for systematic display of text along with graphics, movies and sound. And where we are using the MS PowerPoint? It is used in business meeting, teaching, corporate seminar, project presentation. Write down fast. What is the question? Write in brief about how and where MS PowerPoint is used. It is used for systematic display of text along with graphics, movies and sound, and it is used in business meeting, teaching, corporate seminar, project presentation. Then last one, name the important toolbars. Quick access toolbar. Okay. Now, what is the homework for you? And when you turn the page, then you can see it is lab activity. What is the question? You have to do presentation on the tiger. Then try this project on your mobile. Try this to do on your mobile. Try this presentation. Okay? Thank you.